guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to redeem American Airlines miles. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. The first thing we'll need to do is to log in. Go over to the top right area and here you can see login button. Click on it. And then after putting your AAdvantage number or username and password, you can click on login. So while we're logged in, you're going to scroll down and we're under booking and you can see flights, and we're going to put in the details such as from, to, departing date and returning date if it's a return flight. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the details. So we have New York City to Chicago, and we're going to put in the departure date, then the return date. Then after filling these, you will need to click on search. But before doing that, you're going to click the checkbox redeem miles. Click on it, and this basically tells the system that you want to redeem your American Airlines miles. So we're going to click on search. Then as you can see, it says your current balance is 0 miles for this account. However, if you do have your miles, it will show your miles according to what you have. And then while you're aware of these miles, you're going to come down here and then choose the flight you wish to have. So we're going to choose this one. So we've chosen the departure and we're clicking on the return. As you can see, it reminds us that your balance is 0 miles and you'll need 24,500 miles to book this trip. But if you had this amount of miles, it wouldn't be a problem because this miles is required for this trip. Do take note that you're going to need to pay some taxes along with the miles. So if you had more than 25,000 miles, for example, you will need to subtract this from your 25,000 miles and pay $11.20. And whatever taxes that are applicable will be required. Go ahead and click on continue and finalize the process in order to redeem your miles which you might have. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.